Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's CEXY code, we are going to look at their latest update, the Becexy code. Now they say technical work in progress. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more updates. So right now we are going to look at Becexy official news. We are going to look at what they have to say based on the CEXY code we have been rushing to get. Yesterday's own, I was there live and direct, but I couldn't log in. To log into the bot was difficult. I was on the portal, but I couldn't log in. So finally, when I logged in, they said the code has been, what is that, their language, limited. I was like, what is this? How we are going to be fighting over this to get the code to qualify for the airdrop? And people has been complaining so bad about it. So right now they have heard our request. They are now working on it. That's why they said technical work in progress. So we are going to look at what they have to say based on the limited tasks. Limited code tasks. So right now let's see them. They say we have been listening to your feedback and we are working behind the scenes to bring you even more CEXY codes. That means we'll be doing some technical updates and maintenance today. So no CEXY code drop today, but don't worry, we'll be back tomorrow with fresh code for you. Thank you for sticking with us. So right now they said there will be no CEXY code today. They are going to update the app and maintain it so that at least they can accumulate many people, not all this limited stuff again. So right now on the Becexy channel, that's their YouTube channel, people are not really happy. People are not really happy. Someone said, I'm going to unsubscribe and ask all my followers to unsubscribe. This is total nonsense. And that is, I just came here immediately after I saw the YouTube video on my phone. But again, the code is not working. Truly, this is a dirty way, honestly. This is one of my favorite. Okay. Why stressing people like this? After mining for over a year, yet you keep stressing people within a minute, the code is already depleted. Why? It's not funny. They should extend it. I know they said the minimum user that will qualify for the airdrop is 1 million. I know. Why are they giving such value, 1 million, where we have more than 10 million people mining this project? So they really want to disqualify people by this depleted code they are always saying. Because imagine if you're on the boat and you couldn't log in. Before you finally log in, they will tell you that the code has expired. So it doesn't make sense. Or are they just making money on our head? Because this Becexy official channel they just created not up quite long. Look at the thousands of followers they have. Why they have other channels that have been updating us bomber to bomber, even the ones we want to hear and the ones we don't want to hear, they have been updating us bomber to bomber. And if you talk, they will just block you and remove your post. But since they said they are working on it, we hope for the best. We seriously will hope for the best. So this is pure wickedness, making us mine for 1 year just to stress us like this. A video uploaded 2 hours ago, I'm just seeing getting the notification. So based on this review, you can see that people are not actually happy about the limited task code offer. So since they said they are updating it, let's just wait. Tomorrow we are going to know their latest update and know how we can access this code immediately. We need to qualify for this airdrop. We have mined it for time, we have given it in the best, so we seriously need to be qualified. They shouldn't use this code to qualify us. No, we will get it right. So that is it for this video. No code for today. We'll continue tomorrow. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates and important information. Currently buying and selling USDT, Ton, Solana plus all gas fee. If you want to patronize me, chat to me on my WhatsApp. I'm the admin that I will reply you instantly. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys. See you guys in our next video.